Hi, this is Kevin Zahner. In this video, I'm going to show you a couple ways to publish to the web from Google Docs. Now, a lot of you know about this way that's built in, publish to web. It's under the File menu, and this one is actually already published. So all you have to do is hit the Publish button, and if you copy this link and paste it into your browser, it'll show you a published version of the Google Doc. This is nice if you have a simple document, but notice we lost our black background. It doesn't carry a lot of the styling. It's really a mess for this whole thing that I made. Like it's fine if you're just publishing a syllabus or a quick list of instructions, or something just simple, which a lot of the stuff that we do in education, or even for resumes, is very simple. So you don't have to do something elaborate like what I'm doing here, but maybe you want to. Maybe you want to, and maybe you don't want to make a big deal out of it, and you just want to host it from Google Drive or host it from Microsoft OneDrive, and you can using www Drive. This is a nice, cool tool. The web URL is right up here. It allows you to host from Google Drive or host on Microsoft OneDrive. Now, I'm going to go through the Google Drive version, and these are the basic steps. Now, a few things about how I've made this site. I used the heading styles for links, and it just scrolls right down to where that heading style, this is heading style 1. And if you keep on scrolling, there's also this link heading back to top. And that link is to this text right here. So if you're not familiar with linking parts of documents to particular heading styles, check into that. Play around with it. It's really cool, and it's they work well when you're making PDFs or when you're publishing using the built-in way to publish. But back to the way we're doing it today. It's in a couple of things. It's important to make sure that when you insert images, that it's from an actual file. You can't just copy from Google Images and paste in here, because when you actually zip the files and download as HTML, it extracts these images and it needs to have a file. So it gets kind of confused sometimes if you don't insert from a file. Okay, that's very important. So we're going to download as web page HTML, and it's going to zip that file for us. So we're going to open up our file explorer here and find that zip file, so that there it is. And as you can tell, it's number 10. So I've played around with this a little bit today. I'm going to move it to the folder that we're working from. And there's a little slow right now because of the Screencastify recording. Let's see, where is it? That's it. So I'm going to move that into there. And that's moved. So we're going to go, and there it is. So number 10 is what we're looking for. We're going to unzip these files. So open with Zip Extractor. And this is something that's automatically in Google Drive. I didn't have to add Zip Extractor. And so once this opens, notice that it says decompress zip files to Google Drive. We're going to change that destination, change the destination folder so that it puts the files in the folder on Google Drive that we're working from. I want to keep things nice and organized. And there we are. And extract now. This only takes a couple seconds. And when it's done, we can actually just close this because it's going to be right there. Okay, you can delete the zip folder, the zip file, and you can open up this, and we're actually going to move these. Okay, we're going to move those just to do a little housekeeping. It just keeps things neat. If you don't keep things neat, every time we do these updates, it just makes a mess. It's harder to find files. That's the last thing anyone needs. Okay. Another thing we're going to do is share these files to the world. So if I'm going too fast here, if you haven't done this before, use your pause button and use your rewind button. but I'm going to do it again here for this one. This allows us to publish it. Oh, wrong one. Allows us to publish it to the web. So get shareable link. I'm going to go to more options, public on the web, and it allows this this tool, www drive, to actually find it for us. Okay, so we're going to go there. I'm going to refresh from my admin panel of this www-drv.com, and it's going to give us a new link to our published Google Doc. And you'll see that it's a much cleaner look than the built-in published for it. See, it's really just simple. I love it. I haven't messed with it in terms of like margins and maybe making it more of a responsive design. If you do make it smaller, it is responsive. So if this does this works, it looks really good on phones. Let's check our links. Yep, it goes right to our links. About, there we go. And there's no, like I said, there's no header that you have when you publish the doc with the built-in tool, and there's no footer. It's just whatever you put there. It's whatever you want it to be. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to make some comments below, and we'll see you next time.